Hello, Section B students. I hope you're all having a fantastic Wednesday. I just wanted to take this moment to go over a couple things that you're going to need to check out today. First would be to make sure you get your journal done today. All right, that is due by 2 p.m. like usual. And the second thing that I want you to check out is the All About Me presentation. So this will post on the 9th. It's the same for English 1 and honors. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and go over the assignment sheet with you and then talk a little bit more about it. So, assignment introduction. The purpose of this assignment/presentation is for me to get to know more about you. As your teacher, I like to know about you so I know how to better help you succeed in my class. In addition, finding out what type of learner you are will help me greatly. I am excited to get to know each and every one of you throughout this year. So my presentation expectations, you will be presenting this next week on Thursday. I expect you to present your Google Slides to the best of your ability. I am not expecting this presentation to be perfect. I am simply expecting that you try your best. Okay, make sure you speak loud, clear, and slow, and that you try to make eye contact with your audience. Slide requirements. So this is what your slides are going to look like on Friday. I'm going to go ahead and present my slides to you. So you can kind of see what you need to do. We will have class time on Friday to work on this, and then the physical slides will be due the following Monday, September 14th at 3 p.m. And Monday is our remote learning day, so keep that in mind. But you will be given class time in Friday to work on this, and my expectations when you are offered class time to work on something is that you use the class time wisely. Okay, you can easily finish this within our class period, but you're just going to need to keep those things in mind. All right, slide 1 is your title slide. You need to have your name, age, picture of you about it on there, okay? Slide 2 is all about you. We want to hear about you. When's your birthday? How would you describe yourself? What is your nickname? What kind of job or career are you considering for your future? Slide 3 is family. So who are your parents, grandparents, siblings, dogs, cats, etc.? Tell us about your family. Slide 4 is likes. What are your favorite things? Examples would be favorite TV show, movie, YouTube channel, video game, actor, actress, restaurant, food, color, sport team, etc. Dislikes. What are some things you really dislike? Maybe a TV show you don't like, an actor or food you don't like. Extracurriculars would be slide 6. What are the things you enjoy doing outside of school? What jobs, sports, hobbies, and or passions fill your time outside of school? Slide 7, you're going to need to use this link. This assignment sheet's also posted to Google Classroom, but this link is going to take you to a quiz that you will take to help you learn about what kind of learner you are. So there are 3 different types: auditory, visual, or tactile. That quiz will tell you what you are, and then just do a little bit more research on that type, okay, so you kind of have a better understanding as well. And then slide 8 is the thank you. Let's go ahead and look back at the rubric, and then we'll go back to Google Classroom. So this is just what the rubric looks like. It's worth 20 points total, so your first big grade in my class. Each slide is worth 2 points. 1 point for having everything you need on the slide, and then 1 point for having pictures on your slide. So I took all of those pictures off of my phone. You can definitely do that, or you can bring in physical pictures, take pictures of those physical pictures with your phone, and then send it to your email. That works as well. And then you have 4 more points over here for presentation points. Okay, you spoke loud, clear, and slow. You made good eye contact with your audience. And then another 2 points, you put effort into your presentation. You took this assignment seriously. So if we go back and look at Google Classroom, okay, you will be given in class time to work on this on Friday, and I will present my slides. They're here as well, though, if you'd like to look at them. So make sure you get your journal done today. Take a look at this, and we will come back to it on Friday. Have a good day.